Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Hi, sweetheart. Let's talk about using good manners in public places today.
Sure, Mom. What are good manners?
Good manners mean behaving politely and respectfully in different situations. Grammar lesson. Let's is a contraction of let us and is used to suggest doing something together. Behaving is a gerund, a verb form acting as a noun.
What should I say when I want to order food?
You should say, "May I have a menu, please?" Or "I would like a burger, please." Grammar lesson. Use may to ask for permission formally. Would like is more polite than want.
Should I talk loudly in a restaurant?
No, you should speak softly. Vocabulary lesson. Softly means gently or quietly. It's the opposite of loudly.
Why can't I talk loudly?
Because it might disturb other people. Grammar tip. Can't is a contraction of cannot and is used to express prohibition. Vocabulary expansion. Disturb means to interrupt or bother someone's peace.
What if I spill my drink?
Say, "I'm sorry," and ask for help politely. Grammar reminder. What if introduces a hypothetical situation? Politely is an adverb modifying ask.
Should I leave a tip?
Yes, if the service was good, it's polite to leave a tip. Vocabulary spotlight. Tip is a noun meaning extra money given for good service.
What should I do when I see an elderly person standing?
You should offer them your seat. Grammar insight. Should is a modal verb used to give advice or express obligation.
How can I offer my seat politely?
You can say, "Excuse me, you can take my seat." Grammar tip. Can shows ability or possibility, but in this context, it is used for offering.
Is it okay to play loud music on the bus?
No, you should use headphones. Vocabulary lesson. Headphones are devices worn over the ears to listen to audio without disturbing others.
Why is that important?
To respect other passengers. Vocabulary expansion. Passenger refers to a person traveling in a vehicle, such as a bus or train.
What should I say if I accidentally bump into someone?
Say, "Excuse me," or "I'm sorry." Grammar practice. Accidentally is an adverb describing an unintended action.
Can I run everywhere in the park?
Be careful where you run. Always watch out for others. Grammar note. Watch out is a phrasal verb meaning to be alert or careful.
Should I pick flowers in the park?
No, you should leave them for others to enjoy. Grammar insight. Should is used for advice, not commands.
Can I feed the ducks?
Only if it's allowed. Look for signs. Vocabulary lesson. Allowed means something is permitted.
What if I see trash on the ground?
Pick it up and put it in the trash bin. That's good manners. Grammar tip. Pick up is another phrasal verb meaning to lift something from the ground.
Why should I do that?
To keep the park clean for everyone. Vocabulary focus. Keep means to maintain or preserve something.
Can I talk loudly in the library?
No, you should whisper or stay quiet. Vocabulary lesson. Whisper means to speak very softly.
Why? To whisper or stay quiet?
So people can read and study peacefully. Grammar reminder. So introduces a reason or purpose in this sentence.
What should I do if I need help finding a book?
Ask the librarian politely. Vocabulary expansion. A librarian is a person who works in a library.
How should I ask?
Say, "Excuse me, can you help me find this book, please?" Grammar tip. Adding please makes requests sound polite.
Should I return books on time?
Yes, returning books late is bad manners. Grammar insight. Returning is a gerund used as the subject of this sentence.
What should I do when I need help in a store?
Ask politely, "Excuse me, where can I find?" Grammar tip. Excuse me is a polite phrase to get someone's attention. Use can I find to ask for specific items.
Should I touch things without permission?
No, only touch items if it's allowed. Vocabulary lesson. Permission means being allowed to do something.
What if I accidentally break something?
Apologize and inform the store staff. Grammar insight. Accidentally is an adverb showing that the action wasn't done on purpose.
Is it okay to run around the store?
No, that could cause accidents. Vocabulary expansion. Accident refers to something harmful or unexpected that happens by chance.
Should I wait in line at the checkout?
Yes, wait for your turn patiently. Grammar tip. Patiently is an adverb meaning without complaining. Thanks for watching.
For watching more English learning videos, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.